Next up is this fancy 6-blade ceiling fan, and for those of you who are observant and have decent eye vision, you'll know that, or you'll see that these blades don't have the blades on them, because I was trying to put the screws on just a few minutes ago and they just kept falling off, and the screws are so rusted that they won't actually stick. So I'm just sick of it. But look at this, it's a fancy 6-bladed ceiling fan. I actually never see these anymore. It's always 4 and 5s, and sometimes even 3 or 2. I've seen 2-blade ceiling fans before. It doesn't work, and it's from 2000. Doesn't have that 2000 quality. Fancy 6-bladed ceiling fan. How cheap. What a cheap ceiling fan. On to the next fan.